Finding financing for your home renovation project can sometimes feel like a full-time job. Day after day, you find yourself on the phone, on hold, wondering, is today gonna be the day where I'm finally approved for this project? In this video, we're gonna talk about why you want to finance your project through Southwest Exteriors and how it might just give you some of that time back. Let's go. Oh hey, Chris here. Welcome to the Home Solutions channel. Searching for finance for your home renovation project isn't any fun. Think about all of the things that spring to mind as soon as you hear the word finance. What's my APR going to be? Am I going to get approved? How long is it going to take to get approved? When will I be able to start my project? Should I ask my friends, family, banks, credit unions, first offers? I mean, so many things spring to mind. Where do you even start? I recently sat down with Ryan from Southwest Exteriors to get those answers. And I wanted to ask him two major questions. One, how can I pay for my project through Southwest Exteriors? And two, why should I finance my project through Southwest Exteriors? So let's go get those answers now. All right, Ryan, first question, how can I pay for my project through Southwest Exteriors?
So number one is you have what we call a cash option. Now we don't want to, run around with a suitcase of money when we leave your house, but cash option being check or credit card. Simply enough, we require a 50% deposit if it's windows, doors, or flooring. And on your Hardy project, it's a 25% deposit because the material is generally not custom. So that's the reason that we do it that way. That's the first option. Second option is a fixed low rate option. Okay, and that's the one we can go 7 years, 10 years, down lower than that if you want on term, but it's a fixed as low as 2.99%, depending on, of course, credit worthiness, that we can offer. Then the third option is a zero interest. So you're paying nothing. There is no 299, it's absolutely zero. And that is, we have anywhere from 6 months term all the way up to 5 years. The fourth option is our lender called Credit Novo, and that's one for our people with less than perfect credit. Still get you the money you need or a portion of the money you need, but in the process of that, you get to rebuild your credit. So those are the four options that we provide as ways for our clients to get their projects done.
So there's actually huge benefits with financing through Southwest Exteriors instead of going with my bank.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, a lot of people here in town have great relationships with their credit unions. We got some really high-powered financial institutions here in town. But really, there are some pretty significant, substantial benefits to, utilizing the monthly payment options that we provide. Mainly, probably most significant to the people that we meet with is their time. We can get an approval in 8 to 10 minutes. What was it? Probably late last year. Everybody under the sun is refining, and because of rates right now. So I went through that firsthand, and it took me probably 120 days. When it should have taken maybe 30 to 45, because of all the log jam and all the stuff with banks and how hypercritical they're getting right now to make sure they're not giving money to people that are that shouldn't be getting the money. So when you look at 120 days of every day on the phone, I need this. Oh, it's been too long. I need this. Send it over again. We need updated bank statements. 120 days of that versus 8 to 10 minutes. I mean, which would you choose? I mean, it's pretty no-brainer there. So that's a huge benefit. Probably is the most significant benefit is that in any of our options, we're getting you approval within 8 to 10 minutes. There's no appraisal fees or costs. There's no points. You're not going to have to pay any fees. On the flip side of that, there's no prepayment penalties. So a lot of times with banks or credit, financial institutions, if you do something responsible and pay your loan off early, you're going to get hit with some sort of penalty because the bank's losing out on interest. With us, in any of the monthly payment options we offer, there's absolutely no prepayment penalty. So if you pay it off early, congratulations, you save some interest. So that's another benefit. 0%. Banks don't generally operate in the 0% world unless it's a teaser, 6 months, 12 months, and then it goes up to whatever market value is. With us, we can do fixed, not variable, fixed monthly payment options at 0%, at 2.99%, which Nowadays, 2.99% if you do a refi is realistic. 2-3 years ago, no way, no how. When things were in 4s and 5s, 2.99 was out of this world. So the fact that we can do 2.99 on a fixed term without 120 days of I need this, I need that, I need this, I need that. Every day I had a great relationship with my loan lady because we were on the phone daily. It was a nightmare, honestly. Saved some money on the interest, and but man, I mean, it was a process. So to have it done in 8-10 minutes, no prepayment penalties, fixed, responsible monthly payment options, without no variables, no balloon, no hey, start here and it's going to creep up every year because as the rate normalizes. So yeah, there's many benefits to utilizing some of the monthly payment options we provide in your house, in your living room, at the time of meeting with us, as opposed to going through this whole process of working with your bank and doing all the steps that they're going to ask you to do should you go that route.
So hopefully now you have a better understanding of what financing through Southwest Exteriors looks like. If you want a deeper dive into the 4 financing options that Ryan talked about, make sure you check out the video that's linked down below. I want to thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want you to have the look you love coming home to. Take it easy. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.